Hello, real folks. I'm Dr. Shravanti Alisiri, real estate expert. So, what are the current trends in marketing real estate? See, basically, for any sector, we have two types of marketings. One is offline and online marketing. Coming to real estate sector, so previously the most prominent, I mean, like we are talking about 10-15 years back, our real estate market was more of a traditional way of market. Like people will be going to door, people are going for spreading the leaflets, and along with the milk packets, the leaflets getting distributed, and on road campaigns. So the lots of stuff, people has to go and meet individually, door knocking, all these things have to be done, because at that time the utilization of digital platforms was also very less. So from past, and the most important thing, they used to spend lots of money if they are having backup of financial support. So they are going to invest a lot on spending paper ads basically. So those are the traditional method of marketing their real estate properties. But nowadays, from past, the scenario has been changed from past 5 to 6 years. The point is like we are more accessible to the digital platforms, and individually there are lots of people who are giving awareness and knowledge about real estate. So this is online marketing sector, where the builders or the people who are doing real estate, they're promoting themselves in all the satellite channels or independent YouTube channels, or in all the platforms, and even the social media pages also. And digital marketing is completely different, where there will be specific target audience. So digital marketing is also one of the prominent ways in spreading your projects and also generating leads. So you should definitely have a digital marketing expertise for publishing your projects basically, and Google ads, everything comes under this digital marketing. So apart from, although you have very good digital marketing experts and everything that you can make for your digital presence, one thing that you should follow is your product, and your knowledge towards that product has to be very genuine, and definitely you should follow all the protocols of having that kind of investment scope reach to multiple people. So use all the social media platforms, do a number of ads, and nowadays they no need to go and randomly, or they no need to travel. So in the phone itself, we can see where is the project, what is the company portfolio, everything is accessible to the clients. And even for the people who are doing real estate also, they can see their portfolios, corporate portfolios in the all the digital platforms basically. So definitely this current adapting to the current marketing trends is very much important. And in future, definitely we are coming up with virtual AI based vision towards the properties also. Nowadays, if we want to go and see a property, we have to go physically, but in future definitely we are going to visualize the properties by sitting at one place. So that will also help us to time saving, and also most importantly, the people who are abroad, who cannot come to India but they wanted to invest. So there are so many things coming up in the real estate sector as well. So definitely marketing your project in both online and offline ways is very much important, and follow all the marketing trends which makes your product more visible to the clients. And for more such product related or marketing related, kindly follow Real Boom channel, and also related realestate.in website for more updates.